If you're a cat owner, you know the struggle. Those furry dictators rule our lives. So picture this, I'm comfortably binge-watching my favorite show and in struts Mr. Whiskers, my feline overlord. He jumps onto my lap, demanding attention. I mean, come on, he's got the whole house to roam. But no, he wants attention. I ignore him, thinking he'll get bored and move on. Oh, how naive I was. He starts with the subtle headbutts. When that doesn't work, it's full-on purring right in my ear. I finally give in, thinking, fine, you win. But then, he just stares at me. No cuddles, no purring, just a cold, judging stare as if to say, how dare you ignore me, peasant. So, am I the jerk for ignoring my cat? Or is he the real mastermind here? Let me know what you think in the comments and give a shout out to all the cat owners dealing with their own furry dictators.